Lehnert GmbH Co. KG was founded in 1968 in Bad Wörishofen by Werner Lehnert as a sole proprietorship. Health starts with breathing. Innovation is the principle and orientation behind all of our efforts in developing solutions to serve the needs of people and their environment and for the good of general health and the sustainability of the environment, now and in the future. In cooperation with an Italian engineering group, Lehnert Ventilation Technology has been implementing a new think tank. Joint projects are planned here, and the systems that are then built worldwide have been very interesting for the according national politicians as well as local authorities for industry and handicraft. Our custom-made state-of-the-art innovations show futuristic technology for air cleaning with cold plasma generators. This system is not an air filter system that is commonly known, but moreover an air cleaning system that neutralizes viruses, bacteria, nanoparticles for use in various different areas of application. Virulent germs. Bacteria and viruses cause cancer more often than is assumed. Cancer is the illness that is most feared by Germans. There are more than 100 known types of cancer. Scientists have discovered that infections with viruses, bacteria and parasites are often the cause for cancer. Every sixth tumor can currently be led back to an infection. In 2008, gastric bacteria, human papilloma or hepatitis viruses and other pathogens were the cause of 1.5 million deaths. A study by the World Health Organization WHO that was published in the periodical Lancet Oncology recommends vaccinations and antibiotics against bacteria. Professional air cleaning systems from Lehnert with unique characteristics. The problem with antibiotics is well known. Viruses and bacteria adapt and develop resistant types. Therefore, antibiotics become useless. Wouldn't it be better to eliminate viruses, bacteria, mold and other microorganisms before they can infect us? It is normal that every interior contains mold, viruses, bacteria and smells. However, if the concentration grows, then we get ill. This is especially true for children's daycare centers, schools, nursing homes, assisted living homes, hospitals, hotels, restaurants, the food industry and many more. Air cleaning systems from Lehnert quickly and easily kill bacteria, viruses and mold and therefore also eliminate bad smells, without the use of chemicals and without side effects. There is an air cleaning system for every possible use. For over 40 years, Lehnert Ventilation Technology has also been constructing and supplying air cleaning systems for a dust-free workplace that are especially suitable for removing organic substances and various gases from the air. All devices delivered by Lehnert are patented and have been tested by various universities and independent laboratories. 4 times proven reduction of surface bacteria and viruses. 80% VOC reduction. 99% of all microbes in a human sneeze are killed within 1 meter's distance. 97% of all bacteria in the air. 99% reduction of E. coli, Listeria, Streptococci and avian flu viruses and bacteria. 85% reduction of bad smells. 97% of spores in the air. Approved by the US military for protection against mold in field hospitals. Clinically approved for infectious diseases in the US and internationally. 99% reduction of staphylococci. 99% microbacterial reduction on food surfaces. Public schools in the USA report 20% less absences due to illness. Tested by the Chinese government and approved for protection against the SRA virus. Approved for use by food processing plants by the USDA, FSIS and FDA. Cold plasma devices can neutralize carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides in street and subway tunnels, vehicle garages, offices and warehouses near motor traffic. Lehnert developed the LEPL 800 blower with cold plasma generators for the disinfection of storage space on ships, large warehouses and production plants. This type of device can be used to kill bacteria, viruses, mold, algae, cockroaches, mites, mice and other insects in closed spaces. The disinfection is completed in 20 to 60 minutes without the presence of humans. The gas generated by the plasma generator is heavier than air and therefore expands into shallow spaces and tunnels where pests could be and therefore kills unwanted pests and insects. Human access is allowed again after the disinfection process is completed. Lehnert has been planning and constructing everything you need for good ventilation and exhaust for about 45 years. Grinding dust cleaning systems with ionization for surface technology. Filter and exhaust systems for handicraft and industrial purposes. Devices and systems for dust-free workplaces. Air cleaning systems for the removal of hazardous gas and organic matter.
Pollution and smog are sadly a well-known element of our daily life and a cause for allergic phenomena in people of any age. The concentration of polluting dusts in urban and industrial areas can be greater than 10 million particles per cubic centimeter, whereas in Antarctica they have been measured as low as 100 particles per cubic centimeter. Asthma, rubbefaction of eyes, breathing difficulties and other issues are just some of the related problems. Anyone who found himself out from an urban center and watched it from the distance was surprised by seeing a dark cape covering the city, the so-called smog cloak. Only rain, wind and lightning bolts, when nature intervenes, will wash the overdone air of our town, cleaning the environment and giving us back some breathable air. Nature, as usual, has its remedies. Man, if knows their effectiveness, must use them.
MCAC is the solution in helping man and nature to take back breathable air in industrial and urban areas.
The air is aspirated into the MCAC and passes through a first cold plasma layer, recreating the effects of lightning bolts. The air, energized this way, is washed by artificial rain created by water present in storage barrels. After being washed by water, air is put out clean from the top of the MCAC. From the MCAC concept come many urban applications, such as the tunnel setting, another scenery causing discomfort and fear in case of traffic jams and low ventilation. Plasma Indigo optimizes the performances of existing ventilation and depuration systems. Learning from nature. This is the great innovation of Vivek's products.
Because health starts from breath.